In today's breathing tutorial, we'll be exploring the pranayama, the breath practice called Anuloma Viloma, which translates as alternate nostril breathing without the holds. This is a wonderful breathing practice that will help restore and balance the nadis or the channels in the subtle energies of the body. And it will help kind of bring your energy more into a calm and a peaceful state. There's many different ways that we can practice this pranayama, and I'll go over a few of the details now with you. One is to use your hand. Traditionally, it's taught with a right hand, where you take your index finger and middle finger and you tuck it down onto the thumb. And you'll use your thumb and your ring finger as kind of like these little chopsticks, back and forth, closing one nostril and then the other. Another hand position that some people like to use is resting those peace fingers right up onto your third eye, just above the center of the brow, and using the fingers back and forth that way. If none of the hand positions work for you, there's also a way we can practice this with more imagining or using like the psychic fingers, if you will, to help you focus on one side of the breath and then the other as they're going through the nostril channels. So to begin, we're going to do this with using the hand. And we're going to start this with the fingers down. And if you prefer to have your fingers up onto the third eye, please do, or no hand at all. Starting with the thumb, close the right nostril and then breathe in nasally through the left side until you feel full. And when you feel full, seal your nostrils, open up the right side, and exhale smoothly. And then breathe in through the right side when you're ready. Close when you feel full, and then open the left side and exhale all the way out. Let's do one more round using this hand gesture. Breathing in through the left nostril until you feel full. Closing, open the right side and breathe out. Breathing in through the right side when you feel that urge or the need to. And when you're full, closing, open the left side and breathe out. And then releasing your hand. So this is a wonderful practice, as I said earlier, just to relax and downregulate your system. You can practice this in the morning or in the evening or anytime you just really want to feel more centered and grounded. I hope you enjoy this practice.